This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
Alright, so I just go to Pages, and I would like to inspect my website first of all to find some some element on my page that I want to scroll to. Okay, so let's say I want to show my schedule, right, for some people, and I need to find the ID of this stuff. Right, so here is the block ID. I can use it. Pretty simple and pretty straightforward. So I just hit add, and I would like to add link, title something like my schedule, or like just schedule, right? And then link, it's just like this, right? Just save, and now let's reload the page. So you see it is working. It's pretty functional. So basically, we are not being redirected to some other I don't know, page, where we're not being redirected to our own homepage. So I've seen lots of people are doing the same mistake. So basically speaking, they're just adding something in front of this ID, like this. So in this case, we first go to the homepage and then we apply it. So basically, I will show you what will happen. So let's say go here. The page will be reloaded, and just after that, I will be sent to this block. Okay, so let's test it. Sorry for this. All right. At least I've seen it many times. So let's say if somebody, if we go to like our classes, we add some kind of HTML code with some, I don't know, with whatever inside with this same ID. We can add the same ID onto different pages. So let's say I have this scheduled stuff, and I want to scroll here on every page, and it's not in the footer. It's like I just can insert some element, right? And so then what will happen? Like I will have something like our classes. So the URL will be like our classes, and then I want to apply it here, and I want to apply it when I'm on a different page, like about, and then again like this stuff. So the only correct way to use these anchors is without this stuff, because it won't work properly on multiple pages if you insert the same ID on different pages. So just remember this and try to use it like this.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.